Clip-top is the Bloom hinge system for doors. I would be very happy to show you a little bit about it. Thanks to clip-top, doors open really wide. This makes it easy for me to put away the shopping. Finished! It's that fast! And now just look how silently and effortlessly the door closes. That's thanks to BLUMOTION.
Thanks to BLUMOTION, doors close silently and effortlessly, regardless of whether they are heavy or light, close gently or with force. In other words, BLUMOTION adapts to these different situations.